First, insert the plug into the socket and connect to the power supply. Let's demonstrate the start and stop of engine control motor. Connect the main circuit and the control circuit. Turn on the power, release the emergency stop switch, and turn the key switch to the right. Next, let's show you how to use a combination switch to control a 2-speed motor. First, connect the wire. The 2-speed motor has high speed on one side and low speed on the other side. Let's measure the current of one of the phases. Then measure the voltage of the double phase. Power on. Turn the knob to the first gear. The motor is at high speed. You can check the voltage and the current value at this time. Switch to the 0 position, the motor stops. Switch to the 2 position, the motor is running at low speed. To observe the voltage value at this time, let's demonstrate the reciprocating movement of the toy controlled by PLC. Connect the PLC power supply AC 220 volt, then the common terminal is 0 volt. X0 is connected to the left limit, X1 is connected to the right limit. Then the common terminal is connected to 0 volt, X2 is connected to the start signal. COM0, COM1 to 24 volt, Y0 to forward rotation, Y1 is a reserve rotation. The normally open point is connected to 24 volt of the motor. 0 volt is connected to number. Then the positive polar here is connected to the negative polar of the motor. The negative polar here is connected to the positive polar of the motor. And X-ray is a stop signal. First release the emergency stop power on the system. PLC output and then press the stop button. The trolley starts to move back and forth and starts to change direction when it touches the limit. Click F3 to stop. The fault box here is used to control the input and output fault points of the PLC. To set the fault point of a PLC input and output. If the first line is turned off, it will be found that X0, X1 and X2 does not work. And turn it to the on state, resume normal operation. Turn the first one of the second line to off. Y0 will have no output on state normal operation.